If I lost all my coding skills today and had to start from zero, I'd avoid 3 mistakes that waste years of people's lives. The first mistake, tutorial hopping. You jump from one tutorial to another. You learn Python today, then jump to C++, then JavaScript, and to other languages, which this will make you fall into the tutorial hell trap. This alone will make you avoid a very important growth factor, project building. What's the point of learning dozens of languages if you don't know how to use them to build products and tools? All of this has a huge effect on the mind when it comes to programming, because it gives you a false sense of productivity and improvement, while the truth is much darker than this. You'll eventually become scared of tackling a problem or even build something. If you skip that, you'll never learn how to write code on your own, how to modularize your code, divide it into subgroups, and make it readable. With all the knowledge I have now, here's what I will do differently. First, I'll choose a path to take. For example, web development. Then I will learn the core web development technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Once I am confident with these, I will directly go build something very basic. For example, a web-based calculator app or a to-do app. While I build, I will learn how to make my code more readable and maintainable, as well as learn how to debug web applications to catch bugs and fix issues. Learning the fundamentals is great, but frameworks help you build faster. I would learn React. This would allow me to start building a real project using React and using backend services like Supabase to build a reasonable web application that solves a specific problem. Then I would immerse myself more into Next.js to build better full-stack applications and overall become more job ready. Of course, being a developer, you shouldn't stop with one tech stack. You'll need to explore other options like machine learning, mobile development, or DevOps. This time, I will shift my mindset from I have to know all to I have to know what to build. I will focus more on improving myself as a developer in terms of writing better code, building my portfolio, and deploying projects. Coding isn't about knowing everything, it's about building something. And if I had to restart today, I would build from day one. What about you? If you could restart right now, what would you change? Comment below.